This training is a great opportunity for organisations and individuals to come and learn about accessibility by building awareness. We hope that everybody walks away with lots of extra knowledge, but we also hope that everybody enjoys it.
We take participants through a simulated activity where we use mobility equipment like white canes and vision goggles to simulate a vision impairment, or a wheelchair to simulate living with a physical disability and being a wheelchair user. The activity takes them out on a planned route, whether it's using the public transport network or challenging them to access a particular public space, to give them a more direct view into what navigating these spaces is like for someone with a disability and what barriers we're faced with. We want to get participants out of their comfort zone and to give them a challenge they can learn from together. I see a lot of value in centering the voices of people with disability in a training like this. You're tapping into our lived experience, giving the participants an opportunity to ask questions and to engage and interact with us in a positive way, and perhaps in a capacity they don't have access to otherwise.
It's about understanding challenges that people with disabilities face, and we hope people will do that whilst they're having fun. And that way they walk away with that little bit of extra knowledge that will make a big difference in their personal life and within their work life.